Grace here, and I'm at 1411 Avenue I here in Danbury, and I'm about to take you on a quick little tour, so let's get started. So that wraps up our tour for 1411 Avenue I here in Danbury, and as you can tell, this is a new construction property that's 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, that's right at 1,700 square feet, and we're now at the reduced price of only $268,000. So that's a great deal when we're talking about new construction. And if this isn't the right floor plan for you, don't worry, we have other floor plans available in the Danbury and Bay City area as well as a few others, so feel free, reach out with any questions, and I'd love to help you explore your options when it comes to new construction in Brazoria County. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I'll see y'all soon.